Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression your home makes on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. In Washington, where home styles range from historic to modern, the right front door can significantly enhance curb appeal, improve security, and even increase property value. If you're looking to upgrade your home's exterior, investing in a high-quality, stylish front door is a simple yet powerful way to boost its overall aesthetic and functionality. The importance of curb appeal. Curb appeal refers to the visual attractiveness of a property as seen from the street. It plays a crucial role in home value and can make a lasting impression on guests and prospective buyers. In Washington, where seasons bring diverse weather conditions, having a well-maintained and visually appealing front door is key to creating a welcoming entrance. A beautiful front door not only enhances the home's appearance but also reflects the homeowner's personality and style. Choosing the right front door for your home. Selecting the right front door involves more than just picking a color or design. Several factors contribute to finding the perfect fit, including material, style, security, and energy efficiency. Material matters. The material of your front door affects both its durability and aesthetics. Here are some popular choices. Wood. Classic and elegant, wooden doors offer a timeless appeal but require regular maintenance to withstand Washington's varying climate. Steel. Known for durability and security, steel doors provide excellent insulation and protection against harsh weather. Fiberglass. Low maintenance and energy efficient, fiberglass doors mimic the appearance of wood while offering superior durability. Style that suits your home. The design of your front door should complement your home's architectural style. In Washington, popular styles include traditional, features intricate details, glass panels, and rich wood finishes that suit colonial or craftsman-style homes. Modern, sleek lines, minimalist designs, and bold colors work well with contemporary houses. Rustic, textured wood and wrought iron accents create a warm, inviting look for farmhouse-style homes. Enhancing security and functionality. A beautiful front door should also provide security. Modern front doors come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced materials, and smart technology for added protection. Choosing a door with solid construction and secure hardware ensures peace of mind while improving curb appeal. Energy efficiency considerations. Washington experiences diverse weather conditions, making energy efficiency an essential factor when selecting a front door. Insulated doors with weather stripping and energy-efficient glass reduce heat loss in winter and keep homes cool in summer. This not only enhances comfort but also lowers energy bills over time. Color and finishing touches. The color of your front door can dramatically impact curb appeal. Bold, vibrant hues make a statement, while neutral tones create a sophisticated look. Some popular color choices in Washington include deep red or burgundy. Adds warmth and character, making homes feel inviting. Navy blue or charcoal gray. Provides a modern, elegant appeal that complements many architectural styles. Classic white or soft beige. Timeless and versatile, These colors create a clean and welcoming entrance. Natural wood finish showcases the beauty of wooden doors while maintaining a rustic charm. In addition to color, consider adding decorative elements such as wreaths or seasonal decor to reflect personal style. House numbers are nameplates for a polished look. Outdoor lighting to highlight the front door and enhance visibility at night. The impact on home value. A well-designed front door can increase home value by making a strong first impression on potential buyers. Studies show that homes with attractive entryways tend to sell faster and at higher prices. In Washington's competitive real estate market, upgrading your front door is a cost-effective way to enhance the overall appeal of your home. Final thoughts. The front door is a focal point of any home, serving as both a functional entryway and a design statement. In Washington, where curb appeal matters, investing in a high-quality, stylish, and secure front door can transform your home's exterior. Whether you choose a bold color, a modern design, or a classic wooden finish, the right front door can create a lasting impression and elevate your home's charm. If you're considering a front door upgrade, consult a local expert to explore the best options for your home. With the right choice, you can enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and add lasting value to your property.